Hey everyone, how's it going today? I'm gonna be going over a quick tutorial about how you would set up your Flipgrid account and how you would implement it in your classroom, especially during this time that we're going through where distance learning has become the new normal instead of the exception. So I think that Flipgrid is a powerful tool that we can use at home for our students to get them engaged with one another and still get them engaged in the content. It's all based around video, and I just think that it's something that they would be interested in, and it would empower them and motivate them to want to do more, excel more, achieve more, even while they're at home. So I'm going to walk you through the process. What I would do is up here, I would go to Educator login since I'm logged in. If you don't already have an account, you would go to Educator sign up and basically follow the prompts from there. But I'm going to go to Educator login. And then since I have a Google account with my district, I'm going to go ahead and log in there. And it should just take me through automatically. Okay, maybe not. Okay, yeah. So I just had to click on my name. Now, if you see right here, this is what my main thing looks like. And this is more or less what it would look like for your students. It would just be a lot less congested, so to speak. But they would see this grid right here. Right now, I'm just focusing on reading. This is my one and only grid. So I would just go ahead and click on it. If you want to make a new grid, you would just click add new grid and then enter the information in. Actually, one thing real quick, make sure these options right here are really important when you go to enroll as an educator. You want to have them join using their Microsoft or Google school email, unless of course your school doesn't have that. But I know that many, 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 many schools across the country and across the world do. So just kind of that on a side note. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna enter my grid here. And then I've made one called vibrations and sound already because we're talking about just that, sound waves and light waves. But for this particular one, we're focusing on the topic of sound. Let me kind of show you what it looks like. So I've recorded a video of myself giving directions to the students, uploaded it to YouTube, and then asked for the link to put it right here. And then you're also able to write directions, and then you can add external images using links. So in my case, all of these images came from my Google Drive. So that being said, let me go back and just kind of walk you through how you would do this. Okay, so click add new topic. Let's say we're going to do something for oh, this is reading, right? So reading, let's say our next chapter that we're going to read is going to be about reflections. I don't know. Okay, this right here, the recording time is the amount of time that allows the students to record for. Here, you would just put in the directions like I did. And then this is where you saw in the upper left-hand corner, I had my video, but I mean, you could really add anything. Something easy to add would be a Jiffy. So reflections, I don't know, let's look for a shadow. That's creepy, okay. So I'm just gonna choose that one. And that way you can get something up there that will to engage your students. So I'm gonna go ahead and create this topic. And it is ready to roll. Now, I can do more with this as well as soon as I remember how to do it. So I think maybe, yeah. So on this one, I was able to give directions and then add these images. And I'm not 100% sure why it wouldn't let me do it on the other one. Oh, you click the edit button. There you go. And then right here, you just add all the links for the images that you want to add. So after you do that, the students just go into the app and they record their videos and they can respond to one another. Thanks, guys.